for this big function. We are really privileged as Kasese municipality to host such a big gathering from all regions and all delegates from all continents. I understand there are people from India and other continents. You are most welcome. I take the honor to welcome you to this beautiful region, in particular Kasese district. I believe when you are traveling, you saw the beauty of Kasese district with mountains, with the rivers, and really a good scenery. So I ask you that you are secure, because as a mayor, I'm in charge of the security of this municipality in my area of jurisdiction. I wish to thank our honorable members of parliament, more especially from the Western region, for really working tirelessly to ensure that this function, we have hosted it. I salute you. Thank you very much. I also thank the organizers, more especially the Kasese War Widows and the ICC Week. Thank you for accepting that Kasese municipality hosts this function. It's a great achievement in our municipality. I will not speak much. However, on the theme of ending violence against women, I feel that we may really not end this violence unless, as women, we are economically empowered. We have to be empowered as women, and I really appreciate the women who have brought the exhibitions, as I can see there. I believe that from those items, you'll be able to earn something, or wherever you are, you have been earning something that it will help us as women come out of violence. Because as women, at times we are battered and tortured by husbands and other men, just because we are not economically empowered. So I urge the women with us here and wherever you are, that we should work hard as women and participate in various activities. I therefore once again thank the Norwegian Embassy also for the work you are doing. I thank you, and I once again welcome you in this municipality. Thank you very much.